We got a 2008 Chrysler Town and Country. The air conditioner is blowing out the defrost up there. It's cold, but it's yeah, it's just blowing out the defrost. It will not start blowing out these vents here. So we're gonna go here on the passenger side, and I'm gonna get down there where the mode door actuator is at and replace it. Okay, we'll go here on the passenger side. Underneath here is a sound insulator. It's got a couple clips on. I've already got these popped loose. You're gonna want to pull it out of your way. There's the two clips there and right here, and I'm just gonna let that hang. Then we're gonna open the glove box. Just gonna push in on the sides here, this side, come over on this side and push like that. And then right there is the mode door actuator. So let's get that removed. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is this little wiring connector here, this white connector. I'm just gonna push up on it, push it up out of the way. That'll give us a little more room to get to this T20 bolt right here. Got one here, and then we'll have one down underneath. Let me get this one first. Now this little actuator, this is the little motor that controls it when it goes to defrost, to floor, to vent. So we'll just pull it out real quick. I'm gonna leave it plugged up for now because I'm gonna work this door by my hands and see if I can make it switch by switching it with my hands. And now the other bolt, let's see if I can look through this little opening here. You might be able to see it up in here. Right there it is. Right there's that lower bolt. And I'm just looking through this little opening right here. To get to this bottom bolt that's on this actuator, what I end up doing, how can I do this? I just took a T20 Torx, and I have this little ratchet that fits in it, and I just went right through that slot here, found that bolt, and I'll get on it and I'll just remove it that way. If you don't have that ratchet deal, you could just use a wrench. Slide your, it'll be a little bit harder. You may have to tape that on somehow to this little wrench. You get it up in here and just get on it, spin it, get on it, spin it. Okay, I got that lower bolt out. I end up just taping, or put some black tape around that 20 Torx bit and putting it in a 1/4 inch wrench. Went in through here, got it started. I eventually switched over to the top right here and got in here. When I got it out where it's pretty loose, stuck my one finger down here and another one up in here from the other, two different hands, and I was able to grab it and with both fingers and spin it the rest of the way out. So now we're ready to pull this little actuator off, if I can get my light to cooperate. So I'm just going to grab it, just going to pull it straight out. It's still plugged up. I was wanting to try to move this door by hand, and let me get my key in. Get it blowing. See this white? I'm just going after this white lever right here, right where my finger's at. pushing it down. And it's blowing out the vents. Blowing cold air.